Hey guys, it's Mark here, and today I have the Huawei Mate 30. Not the Pro, but it's just the Mate 30. So, I mean, this is an unboxing video. Obviously, there's a box right there. So, yeah. So, let's get into it. Da-da-da. Ouch. Okay, right on top is the device itself, and this is in purple. Can I slide it down? Can I actually slide it down? Ooh, yes I can. Slide, 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 slide. It looks like a washing machine. But hey, it's actually quite beautiful anyway. So let's put this aside and see what's inside. And right at the bottom is the same ejector tool, and then right inside is a clear case and some user manual and Huawei warranty crap, and a 40 watts fast charging brick, and a USB-C to USB-A, and as well as a earphone. And it's a 3.5mm headphone jack, so you can see on this device, on the bottom of the device, there is a headphone jack. Okay, so this is the quickest unboxing video ever done, so I'm gonna do some close-up shot. So, cut here. Bye!